We are doing trigonometric equations. Our first problem for today, trig equations. Our first problem for today, cot square x minus root 3 plus 1 cot x plus root 3 is equal to 0. Cot square x minus root 3 cot x minus cot x plus root 3 is equal to 0. From these two terms you take cot x out, you have cot x minus root 3. Take minus 1 out, you have cot x minus root 3. Take this common, cot x minus root 3, you have cot x minus 1. Cot x is equal to 1 implies tan x is equal to 1, x is equal to pi by 4. Cot x is equal to root 3 implies tan x is equal to 1 by root 3, x is equal to pi by 6. The two solutions are pi by 4 comma pi by 6. That's about this problem. If alpha comma beta are the solutions of the equation a cos theta plus b sin theta is equal to c, where ABC belongs to R and a square plus b square is greater than 0, cos alpha is not equal to cos beta, sin alpha is not equal to sin beta, then show that we have to show these conditions. Let us take a cos theta plus b sin theta is equal to c. A cos theta is equal to c minus b sin theta. Squaring on both sides, you have a square cos square theta is equal to c minus b sin theta whole square, c square plus b square sin square theta minus 2bc sin theta. A square into cos square theta can be written as 1 minus sin square theta, that is equal to c square plus b square sin square theta minus 2bc sin theta. Take a square inside, a square minus a square sin square theta is equal to c square plus b square sin square theta minus 2bc sin theta. Take these two terms this side, it will be a square plus b square sin square theta minus 2bc sin theta plus c square minus a square is equal to 0. Here, since it is in the form of sin alpha, sin beta are the roots. Sin alpha and sin beta are the roots, sum of roots. Sin alpha plus sin beta is equal to minus b by a, that is 2bc by a square plus b square. Sin alpha sin beta is c by a, that is c square minus a square by a square plus b square. Similarly, in the next part, keep b sin theta here, take a cos theta that side, do the squaring on both sides. You will get the equation in terms of cos. Find out cos alpha plus cos beta and cos alpha into cos beta. You will get these values. You will get cos alpha plus cos beta as 2ac by a square plus b square. Cos alpha into cos beta is c square minus b square by a square plus b square. I have done one part, similarly do the second part. Simply in the second part you have to take b sin theta, you keep it as it is, take a cos theta that side and do the similar procedure. That will give you these two values. That's about this problem. Our next problem, mod tan x is equal to tan x plus 1 by cos x, where x belongs to 0 to pi, find the value of x. Mod tan x is equal to tan x lies in first quadrant or fourth quadrant. Now, mod tan x is equal to, if it is equal to tan x, then you have tan x is equal to tan x plus 1 by cos x is secant x. Tan x cancel, secant x is equal to 0, which is not possible because secant does not belong to the interval minus 1 to 1. What is the next option? Mod tan x is equal to minus tan x. Put minus tan x here, minus tan x is equal to tan x plus 1 by cos x is secant x. Bring this tan x this side, you have minus tan x is equal to secant x. This is equal to minus 2 tan x minus secant x is equal to 0. Minus 2 tan x can be written as sin x by cos x. Secant x can be written as 1 by cos x. You have minus 2 sin x minus 1 is equal to 0. Sin x is equal to minus 1 by 2. That is sin of minus pi by 6. Sin of minus pi by 6 is same for minus pi by 6, it means you can write 2 pi minus pi by 6 is pi minus pi by 6. So x is equal to 6 to the 12, 12 minus 1, 11, 11 pi by 6. So therefore x value is 11 pi by 6. In the next problem we have find the range of cos theta plus secant theta if cos theta plus secant theta is positive. Cos theta plus secant theta, this is equal to root 2 by root 2 cos theta plus sin theta. Root 2 outside, cos theta into 1 by root 2 plus sin theta into 1 by root 2. Root 2 into 1 by root 2 is sin pi by 4, sin theta into cos pi by 4. Root 2 into, this is of the form, this is sin of a plus b, that is sin of theta plus pi by 4. Sin of theta plus pi by 4, if it lies in the interval 0 to pi, it is sin of theta plus pi by 4 greater than 0, that will be greater than 0. Now subtract minus pi by 4 every side, you have minus pi by 4 less than theta less than pi minus pi by 4 will be 3 pi by 4. So if you generalize this, cos theta plus sin theta is positive if you have to add 2n pi here, 2n pi minus pi by 4 less than theta less than 2n pi plus 3 pi by 4. These are the range in which cos theta plus sin theta is positive. Here we are adding multiples of 360. In the multiples of 360 this holds good, that's why we are adding 2n pi. That's about this problem. Here this is our next problem. Sin of 270 minus x is equal to cos 292. We have to find the value of x. Sin of 270 minus x is equal to cos 292. Sin of 270 minus theta is minus cos theta, so it is minus cos x is equal to cos of 180 plus 292 can be written as 180 plus 112 minus cos x. Cos of 180 minus theta is 180 plus theta is minus cos theta, that is minus cos 112. Minus minus cancel, cos x is equal to 112, x is equal to 112 or x is equal to 360 minus 112 which is 248. That's about this problem. You have two values always. One is the original value, that is 12. In the interval of 360 minus theta also it holds good. So x is equal to 360 minus 112, that is equal to 248. That's about this problem.